description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I showed you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Indomie. This is Indomie made in Turkey. This is their Sebzeli Hazir noodle, vegetable. It's a vegetable Indomie, and it's a zoop. Staying with the theme of the letter Z. Double sachet. Noodle block going in. Oil. Seasoned oil. So, here goes our timer. And you get to watch it boil. It's not hazy today. I already went out walking. My kids get on the bus around 8:50, give or take a minute or two. And then I get out walking. And I went and I walked, I got back like at 10:16. So, yeah, I guess that was close to an hour and a half-ish, maybe. And, yeah, took some nice pictures down by Logboom Park. I wonder if I can show you those. Let's see. Yeah, down at the Logboom, there's stuff like that. Pretty! Pretty! And, stuff like... Where's that shot? Yeah. So, on the left, right? Yeah, on the left, see where there's like city-ish stuff? Up that hill, that's where I live. A ways. Oh, you can kind of see it. This is from yesterday when we went out walking. The sun's going down. And, yeah. This is me when I'm out walking, all sweaty. And this is where I walked to yesterday, the Seattle sign. It says, oh, Seattle. And that's like 9 a.m. yesterday at Logboom Park at the new area. So anyways, yeah, there you go. You've seen it. Now you know more and stuff. But yeah, fun. Yeah, luckily it wasn't all smoky today. Although I gotta admit, I like it when it gets smoky. It makes the sunsets really nice. And it's interesting. Especially when people are freaking out about it. I really like that. I don't know why, but I really like it when people are like up in arms about things they can't control. What was it? The lady who commented angrily in all caps on Facebook, "It's not windy. How is it blowing in here? How is the smoke blowing in?" It's like, up above, way up high, there's winds. That just doesn't make any sense. That's fine. You don't have to understand. I just love how the weather never ends being a topic to chat about. I think that's great. I think it's been a topic of chat for the last zillion years. As long as we've had verbal communication. Oh, it's a little humid today for my taste. Ugh, bonk, bonk, ugh, you know. Oh, here, you should be looking. You should be watching this. If you're just listening to my show, I don't know what you're doing. But, I mean, that's cool if you just want to listen and not watch what's going on. I want to know more about my viewers. Not that I get a bazillion of them. I know one guy watches every episode because he was like, and it's somebody I know. He's like, yeah, man, I haven't had a chance to watch the one that came out today yet, but I will when I get home. It's like, really? Wow. People actually watch this? That's cool. I don't... It's like I've said a zillion times before, I'm not a whore for subs. It's not my main goal here. I just like doing this. If I get a ton of subs, hey, cool. More people are watching. That's fine. But I'm not like crying into my pillow every night that I don't have 1 million views on a video like some might do. I know there are people out there that are just like that hardcore. I don't have any self-worth unless I get 10 likes on each video. And I abhor best practices. I abhor the whole, remember, smile more and jump around and act like a fool and all this stuff. Here's the noodle. Cheers. Here's the broth. I like it. It doesn't taste like chicken. It tastes like a salty noodle soup. And it's all right. And I will use my 40th anniversary Indomie bowl that was sent to me by Indomie CBP Success Makmur Co. Industry Limited. I can't remember what the whole name of Indomie is, but at least the one in Indonesia, that's where this came from. A long time ago. And I think they just had their 50th anniversary. Yeah, so it's old, but I don't care. It's a nice bowl. They also sent me a Super Me bowl. But that Super Me bowl was cracked when I got it, but I use it to put things in, other than noodles. And since this is a vegetarian one, or vegetable, I'm gonna not put any meat in here. That'll be on the next one. The next one's gonna be meaty. Just whatever you do, don't take Tylenol! I listened to that the other day. I listened to our president yell, "Don't take Tylenol!" And get your vaccinations like one at a time. That's like, dude, do you realize how thin the amount of people? I mean, go get an appointment right now. Go get 3. It will take you 5 years. I mean, it's ridiculous. But that's just the deal. We're gonna add... Oh, no, we'll add some crushed red pepper. I was gonna add some pepper thread. But then I thought better of it, because that's just not a thing that they really do in Turkey or Indonesia, as far as I know. I could use it on the next one, but I won't, because the next one I'm doing is something my wife and daughter are going to have, so no spicy on that. Do you want spicy? Oh, no spicy. Okay. But there it is. And now, watch it rotate. Well, thank you for watching. The next one you're going to see is another one that isn't a noodle or it's not a porridge, it's not a noodle, it's not an udon. Speaking of, though, there will be udon coming soon, like fancy. Super excited, got a bunch of Hong Kong stuff coming soon. But this is not a noodle. It's something you might find and might be learning to become familiar with. But it's from an old brand that you've heard of, Nongshim. This is Nongshim Takyang, I think. This is baby shark tteokbokki, and it's creamy. And my wife and daughter would eat this. And the tteokbokki is shaped like sharks. Oh my god! Wow. So that'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. Please join me, won't you? Have a good one. Bye-bye.